This is the Rolling with Tay Podcast. I'm your host, Tasia, aka Tay, and this is a Tay Show episode 26. In this episode, I want to talk about the challenge that I have for my family this holiday season. I'm challenging my family members to take 7,500 steps per day for 1 week, starting November 29th and ending on December 6th, Friday to Friday. I think this is a fun way to get my family active right after Thanksgiving. Why 7,500 steps? Walking 7,500 steps a day is an easy and effective way to boost one's health. Here are some benefits that I found. Walking this much lowers your risk of an early death. That right there is enough for me. It helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, burns calories, and helps maintain a healthy weight without intense workouts. Regularly walking boosts your energy and endurance, keeps your bones strong, and reduces joint pain. Walking improves your mood, reduces stress, and lowers the risk of depression. These are all good reasons why I'm aiming for 7,500 steps a day. Now, here are some ways to get more steps in during your day. While at home, walk in place or around the room during commercial breaks. Get up off that couch and move them feet. Pace while talking on the phone. I do that a lot. That's probably how I get half my steps. Take a walk after a meal. Park your car at the far end of the parking lot when you're going to the store or to work. Take the stairs instead of an escalator or an elevator. Set a timer every hour to take a break and walk for at least 5 minutes. If you take public transportation, get off the stop before yours and walk home. I'm really excited to do this challenge with my family. We have a couple ways that we can track it. We can track our steps via this app that I found called Step Up. We can track it as a group, motivate us, and I think it'll be pretty cool. Some of us downloaded already, and I'm looking at the steps, and I'm like, okay, I gotta step my game up. Get it? Step my game up. Okay. And we can also track it individually via our wearables or our phones. But at the end of the day, the challenge is all about taking simple steps and moving more and building healthier habits. That's really it. I'll let you know how this challenge goes. Maybe I'll get one of my cousins to come on and talk about their experience. Would you try a challenge like this with your family or your friends? Let me know in the comments if you would or you wouldn't, and you think they would be down for it. This is the Rolling with Tay Podcast. I'm your host, Tasia, aka Tay. Thanks for listening and watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.